My name is Matthew Fall, and I'm interested in acting, but I'm also interested in the video production side, and I want to learn how to be making TikTok content, but also to be able to understand when I'm on set. Okay, what are the video settings that people are using? What kind of lighting setups are they having? Why are they choosing the lens that they are? What are the different kind of bokeh filters, things that you can play around with in order to build the creative vision? And I want to just understand all of that world. I initially heard about the course through my dad, actually. He had gotten the ad on Facebook, and so he suggested it to me, and after we dug around a little bit, we realized, wait, this is the same Jeff Gordon that taught me drum lessons back when I was, 6, 7, 8 years old. And so I figured, hey, I already know that this guy is a fantastic drum teacher. I'm sure he's just as good of a photography teacher, and after joining this course, he proved me right. It's been fantastic. I'm absolutely loving everything about this course. Jeff is such a personal and interactive teacher, and the class sizes are small enough that he's able to interact with each of us individually and teach us no matter what skill level we're at. And not only that, he's very transparent about everything. He will tell you what gear he uses. He'll tell you exactly how he achieves the looks that he does. And he not only does this in person in our classes, but he also has an online portal that he has set up that we can go back to anytime we need, look at the videos that he's produced, teaching us exactly what we've learned in class, and then some, and it's all just been absolutely fantastic. Without hesitation, I recommend this class to other people. It's fantastic all around. The group setting is fantastic, the teacher is great, the understanding of holistically everything about videography, photography, how to market ourselves, how to build a business, how to video edit. It's just such a complete package with such a fun teacher. I can't recommend it highly enough.